What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm in Kampot, Cambodia. I'm going to give you a tour of the hotel. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so we're here in Kampot. This is the hotel, Sokchea Kampot Hotel. A couple of friends I used to work with came here last night, and they're like, Tom, you have to come. So I booked a van first thing early in the morning at 6:30 and made my way down here. It takes about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And then this hotel is only like 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers away from town where it drops you off. Now it's about noon. I've settled into my room and had a look around, and I'm gonna bring you guys in there and show you the hotel we chose. Let's go. So we think it's a brand new hotel because it just looks very new, and there's like not many other people staying here. We're the only ones here. I think I saw one other couple show up. Pool area, so we'll go over there and check it out. Looks like there's a hot tub jacuzzi too, like attached to the pool. Guess this is a bar, poolside. It's like a nice garden area and jacuzzi. I heard they can turn on the jets here too. Then right here it's like very shallow, so you can just lounge and lay on here, or if you had kids or something. And then it's like a regular pool out there. Alright, let's keep exploring the grounds here. Cool. So it looks like there's ground floor and then first floor, so you could either have a sliding door like that just opens up to right here on the ground level, or you could have a balcony, which I'll show you now. The balcony ones look like that. You can see all wrapped around here. There's only one floor to go up, so there's no elevators. It's so peaceful out here in Kampot, away from the city. You can just hear the birds and the animals, and I'm almost watching my own volume of how I talk because it's so quiet here. So let's check out the lobby. So this is what it'll look like if you come to this hotel and you come to check in. Here's what it's like. Really nice surroundings they put here. So pretty soon I'll give you a tour of the room I've got, but I've just noticed I think you can go up to an upper deck area, like a balcony common area. So it's explore and see if we can get up there and have a look from above. Wow, this is cool. Check this out. I guess this building even has a second floor up there and over there. This would be a nice place to come maybe at nighttime too. All these lights come on and everything's lit up down there probably, so maybe I'll catch some footage of that when the sun goes down. Alright, so we'll go back down. I'm going to show you the room. See what you get for $30 a night here. So mine's on the ground level. It's the closest room to the road. So when the axe murderer comes and they try the first door they get to, it'll be mine. Pretty nice room. There's a big bathtub there. Deep. And really nice big bathroom. Rainfall shower. And there's like a window in the corner, like a box window, but it's, you can't see through the glass, so you still have your privacy. And yeah, so that's a little tour of the hotel. Hopefully I can find something else to make a video of while I'm out here. And remember, until next time, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.